Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home appliances. Today, we'll be taking a look at the TOSHIBA Small Microwave Oven, a product that's perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, or anyone looking for a compact, reliable microwave. If you're in the market for a microwave that doesn't take up too much space but still delivers impressive functionality, this one's worth considering. This microwave comes with a sleek black design and features a 0.7 cubic feet capacity, making it just the right size for smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. It operates at 700 watts, which is perfect for everyday use, whether you're reheating leftovers, making a quick snack, or cooking a small meal. With its external dimensions measuring 17.1 inches wide, 12.2 inches deep, and 9.5 inches high, it's compact enough to fit on most countertops without crowding your space. One standout feature of this TOSHIBA microwave is the chef defrost technology. This feature allows for up to 40% faster defrosting than traditional methods, which means you can get your food ready more quickly without sacrificing flavor or texture. It's ideal for anyone who needs to defrost frozen meals on the go. Plus, the microwave comes with 6 auto menus for foods like popcorn, pizza, and potato, making it super easy to prepare your favorite snacks with just a touch of a button. When it comes to flexibility, the TOSHIBA microwave offers 11 power levels, allowing you to customize your cooking for different types of meals, whether it's a hot beverage, a snack, or a more substantial dish. The microwave also includes an easy-to-use control panel with a one-touch start function, which lets you quickly start cooking for 1 to 6 minutes at full power. The child safety lock is a great addition, especially in a dorm room where safety is a top priority. You can also switch to eco mode, which helps save energy, and the mute mode allows you to silence the microwave's beeping sounds, a handy feature if you're in a shared space. If you're someone who values convenience, you'll appreciate the simple controls of this microwave. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to set your cooking preferences without a steep learning curve. Whether you're just reheating a beverage or need to cook a full meal, this microwave gets the job done with ease and efficiency. For those who worry about space, the TOSHIBA microwave is a perfect solution. With its compact design and practical features, it can fit perfectly into a small dorm room or kitchen without taking up too much counter space. Despite its size, it's incredibly versatile, allowing you to tackle a variety of cooking tasks with precision and reliability. Overall, the TOSHIBA Small Microwave Oven offers great value for anyone looking for an affordable yet reliable microwave. Its powerful features, sleek design, and compact size make it the best microwave for dorm rooms or small spaces. If you're looking for a microwave that can handle your everyday needs without taking up too much room, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews like this.